Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize your LinkedIn skills section to attract recruiters, step by step, updated for 2026. The skills section is one of the most important ranking signals in LinkedIn recruiter searches. First, log in to LinkedIn and open your profile. Scroll down to the skills section and click the edit icon. Start by adding relevant and searchable skills only. Focus on skills recruiters actually filter for, such as tools, technologies, platforms, and core job skills. Avoid soft or vague skills like hardworking or fast learner. Next, prioritize your top 3 skills. These appear most prominently and carry more weight in recruiter searches. Choose skills that directly match your target job titles. Add around 15 to 20 skills in total. This gives your profile enough keyword coverage without looking spammy. Every skill should align with your experience section. Now focus on endorsements. Ask colleagues or managers to endorse your most important skills. Endorsed skills look more credible and help your profile stand out in recruiter results. Remove outdated or irrelevant skills regularly. Old or unrelated skills can confuse LinkedIn's algorithm and reduce your visibility for the right roles. Make sure your skills are consistent with keywords used in your headline, about section, and job descriptions. Keyword consistency improves how LinkedIn understands your profile. Finally, review and update your skills section whenever you gain new experience, certifications, or tools. An updated profile ranks better in recruiter searches by choosing the right skills, prioritizing key keywords, earning endorsements, and keeping everything aligned. You can significantly improve your chances of being discovered by recruiters in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more LinkedIn optimization tips. Thanks for watching.